Imagine a cake. This cake has layers. Blockchain technology is similar. It has layers too. Each layer has a specific role and function, just like the layers of a cake contribute to its overall structure and taste. Understanding these layers is crucial to grasping how blockchain technology works. The bottom layer is layer 1. This is the foundation of the entire blockchain system. It is the base layer. Without it, the entire structure would collapse. It handles the core functions and ensures the security and integrity of the blockchain. This is where all the main stuff happens. Transactions are validated, blocks are created, and the blockchain grows. Layer 2 sits on top of Layer 1. It adds additional functionality and scalability to the blockchain. Think of it like the icing on the cake. It enhances the overall experience and makes the system more efficient. It makes things smoother and faster. Layer 2 solutions often handle tasks like off-chain transactions and smart contracts. Layer 2 helps transactions happen quickly. It reduces the load on Layer 1 by processing transactions off the main chain. It takes some work off of Layer 1. This division of labor is essential for maintaining the efficiency and speed of the blockchain. This is important because Layer 1 can get congested. When too many transactions are happening at once, it can slow down the entire network. When the network is busy, transactions slow down. This can be frustrating for users and can limit the blockchain's scalability. Layer 2 helps solve this problem. By handling some of the transactions off-chain, it frees up space on Layer 1. It makes everything more efficient. With Layer 2, the blockchain can handle more transactions per second, making it more scalable and user-friendly. Blockchain is growing rapidly. More people are using it every day. This is great news. However, it also creates challenges. As more people use blockchain, it gets slower. Transactions take longer to process. This is a problem known as scalability. Imagine a highway. If there are only a few cars, traffic flows smoothly. But if thousands of cars try to use the highway at the same time, everything slows down. Blockchain needs to be scalable to handle more users and transactions. This is where Layer 2 solutions come in. Layer 2 solutions are like adding more lanes to the highway. They help to reduce congestion and improve transaction speeds. They do this by processing transactions off-chain. This means that transactions happen off of the main blockchain. They are then batched together and added to the main blockchain later. This reduces the load on Layer 1 and makes everything faster. There are many different types of Layer 2 solutions. Each one has its own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular examples include zk Sync, Optimism, and Arbitrum. Section 4, zk Sync, a leading example of Layer 2. zk Sync is a popular Layer 2 solution. It aims to enhance the Ethereum blockchain by providing faster and cheaper transactions. By offloading some of the transaction processing to Layer 2, zk Sync helps to reduce congestion on the main Ethereum network. It uses a technology called zero-knowledge proofs. This advanced cryptographic method ensures that transactions are both private and secure, without revealing any sensitive information. This allows it to process transactions very quickly and securely. Users can enjoy near-instant transaction times, which is a significant improvement over the traditional blockchain speeds. zk Sync is also very scalable. It can grow and adapt to increasing demand without compromising on performance. It can handle a large number of transactions without slowing down. This makes it ideal for applications that need to process a high volume of transactions efficiently. This makes it a good choice for applications that require high throughput. Businesses and developers can rely on zk Sync to maintain performance even under heavy load. For example, zk Sync C is being used by projects like Argent and Gitcoin to offer faster and cheaper transactions to their users. These projects benefit from zk Sync's ability to provide a seamless and cost-effective user experience. It is also being used by developers to build new and innovative decentralized applications. zk Sync's robust infrastructure and advanced technology make it a preferred choice for cutting-edge blockchain projects. Section 5. Fushuma, a case study in Layer 2 migration. Fushuma is a great example of a project that is using Layer 2 to improve its scalability. By leveraging Layer 2 solutions, Fushuma has managed to overcome the limitations of traditional blockchain networks, which often struggle with high transaction fees and slow processing times. Fushuma is a decentralized finance, or DeFi, platform. It offers a range of financial services that are typically provided by traditional banks, but in a decentralized manner without the need for intermediaries. It allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency. This is achieved through various DeFi protocols that Fushuma integrates with, providing users with multiple options to grow their digital assets. Fushuma recently migrated to a new Layer 2 solution. This migration was a significant milestone for the platform, involving meticulous planning and execution by the development team. This has significantly improved the platform's performance. The new Layer 2 solution has enabled Fushuma to handle a higher volume of transactions with greater efficiency. Transactions are now faster and cheaper. Users can enjoy near-instant transaction times and significantly reduced fees, making the platform more accessible to a broader audience. The migration has also made it easier for new users to get started with Fushuma. The streamlined onboarding process and user-friendly interface have contributed to a growing user base. This is because the platform is now more affordable to use. Lower transaction costs mean that users can maximize their returns without worrying about high fees eating into their profits. Fushuma is a great example of how Layer 2 solutions can benefit real-world projects. By addressing scalability issues and reducing costs, Layer 2 technologies are paving the way for more efficient and user-friendly blockchain applications.